The highest number so far of being a freelance social media manager that I have handled is 25 clients a month. Is it really possible? Hi, I'm Shara Obligar. I'm a freelance social media manager working with different clients across the globe. I started from scratch, and if you guys don't know my experience, I have uploaded my content here about my experience and how I started being a social media manager. To answer the question, is it really possible to handle multiple clients or 25 clients a month? Yes. Since I'm a freelancer and I am not working full-time or under the agency or under the company, it's really possible if you are working freelance. Since in freelancing, you can do whatever you want, you do whatever process and offer whatever services that you can offer as long as you can do it. And that's my case. Yes, I have explored content creation, video editing. I don't even know how video editing before. And social media management, engagement, or assistant, doing some uploading, scheduling, or whatever it is, I accept many clients as I can handle in a month. Again, my setup is freelancing. It might sound impossible, pero to tell you guys, I have tracker here of every clients that I have handled. I have every contracts, and I have worked with most of the client Upwork. I started sa Upwork. Doon talaga ako unang nakakuha ng kliyente. Yung first client ko, second client is from Upwork as well. My first and second client, still my client right now. Yes, we are going 2 years and almost 2 years. And my third client is galing siya sa Upwork, pero message niya ako sa Facebook. That's why we communicated and transact sa Facebook, but still my client pa din. Reason why I have that so many clients, it is because of that third client and second client. So yung second and third client ko na yun, puro referrals na lang siya. Dumami na siya ng dumami. Even me, hindi ko na na-realize na ganun na pala kadami yung client na nahahandle ko na pala nun. Kasi sobrang simple lang naman ng job na pinapagawa sa akin. First, second, and third client na yun. Kasi nung first client ko, before, nung unang client ko pa lang siya, full social media management talaga siya. Content creation, content ideas, content editing, scheduling, engagement, or whatever it is, lahat ng ginagawa as a social media manager. But right now, after a year, naging engagement na lang siya. Wala nang content creation, wala nang content ideas, wala nang marketing strategy, wala na. Taga-engage na lang ako 15 minutes every day, which is 3 times a week. That gives me a lot of time or a bunch of time that can handle multiple clients pa or accept another client. And then, yung second client ko naman is video editing lang siya or content creation. Magpapagawa lang siya na, Shara, can you please edit this? Shara, can you please do some graphics about this? But I am not doing social media management din doon. So, more on video editing at saka content creation lang. There are times na 10 times a month lang siya nagpapagawa. That's why may nirefer siya na isang friend sila. Nirefer niya yun sa akin. And yung kaibigan niya, nag-refer ulit na. So, parang pa-refer lang talaga siya ng pa-refer. To the point na dumadagdag na siya ng dumadagdag. And since that client is very satisfied about my service, about my video editing or content creation, kaya refer lang talaga sila ng refer. And syempre, hindi naman tumataas ng 10 a month. Minsan nga, 5 times a month lang sila nagpapagawa, nagpapa-edit. Kasi hindi naman talaga full social media management yung work ko sa kanila. Kasi nga, again, I am a freelance social media management that I am offering social media manager, content creation, video editing. And then, dumagdag na siya ng dumagdag, content creation, video editing for some other clients. And itong si third client, ang ginawa ko sa kanya, content creation din. Minsan, nagiging assistant niya na ako, taga-upload ako ng content sa Facebook niya, taga-upload ako ng content sa Instagram niya. Minsan nga, may copy-paste pa. Minsan, taga-create lang ako ng design sa Canva, taga-edit lang ng mga thumbnails. Tapos, refer niya ulit ako sa ibang kaibigan niya, which is siya yung pinakamadaming referrals na nabigay sa akin. Even though it's very simple work, but the thing here, how satisfied they are, it is because of the communication, the fast response, and the fast delivery of the service. I think this will be the tip for you guys to have that high client retention is to always treat your client as VIP or sila lang talaga yung client mo even though in real life ang dami mong client. Just treat them nicely, fast delivery, and when it comes to communication, communicate or update them every time whenever you are doing working sa kanila. Which I think that leads them to refer another friend sa'yo. Another thing kung saan ako nakakakuha ng client other than referrals is Instagram and TikTok. That's why I want you to build your own account as a social media manager. Even kahit hindi kayo social media manager, video editor, content creator, virtual assistant, whatever it is, just create your account, show up, and show your process, how you will do, show the behind the scene, or whatever you are doing with the client. Kasi there are some curious people what you will do, and there are some satisfied people na I want to hire this person because I love what she's doing. Something like that. And mostly, dun ko din talaga nakukuha yung client ko. Again, I started from scratch without even experience and nakakuha ko sa Upwork. Tapos, dun na talaga lumago sa social media. Since we are a social media manager, we are growing social media accounts ng clients. So, why not growing our own account as a social media manager, right? Right now, I don't have 25 clients. Nag-iba na ako ng setup. Pero, possible ang mag-multiple clients tayo dito, tapos meron ka pang complete rest, complete ang tulog, makakapag-enjoy ka pa, makakapag-travel ka pa, you can do whatever you want, you can work whenever you want, and flexible silang lahat. Even though I am handling 25 clients, kumpleto talaga yung tulog ko, 7 to 10 hours a day. And I can still manage to handle coaching session, manage my business, and even travel with families, and enjoy myself, something like that. Because sobrang dali ng work. Yung mga na-mention ko, those are just my work. Yun lang talaga yung work ko sa most client na yun. Pinakamadami is content creation or video editing. Siguro dun din talaga na-enhance yung sarili ko sa pag-video editing and content creation. Or when it comes to hooks, it is because nasanay ako sa kanila. Dahil kapag nagpaparevise sila, parang growth or opportunities ko na yun to learn na, ganito pala yung gusto nila. Ganito pala mag-create ng content. Kasi to tell you honestly, guys, I don't have experience in creating video. Actually, I just want to share this with you. I just learned CapCut sa unang client ko. Nagagawa ko ng content sa kanya using Canva, and my client just said, you can use CapCut to edit video. I think it's more easier than Canva. Yun yung sabi niya. Doon ko nakilala si CapCut. 1 year or almost 2 years pa lang ako dito sa industry. If kaya ko, mas kaya nyo, lalo na kapag may experience kayo. It is your advantage to have that experience. Kaya ngayon, kung nakita mo tong video na to, kumilos ka na, just take action. Kasi kapag hindi ka nag-take action, sayang lang yung skills mo, sayang lang yung knowledge mo. Hindi nakikita ng iba, kaya ipakita mo sa kanila so that you can grow yourself on this industry. Kasi kung ako, wala akong experience before, ano pa kaya ikaw? That's why, kung kayo wala kayong experience, don't lose hope. You can do more than that, or what I did, you can do more than what I did. It's about dedication, it's about passion, it's about confidence. I want you to be confident as well kahit wala kayong experience. Just learn some skill, show up in social media, at wag mahihiyang magtanong. Kaya, I am always here, Shara Obligado. You can always ask a question about social media management. Just drop your question here in the comment section or message me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will try my best to answer those questions. Right now, ano yung tips ko for you to achieve those kind of achievement? My tip, first is show up and build your own account. Mahirap siya, yes, if you are not confident. Pero, even though you are not confident, try mo pa din mag-show up and you will enjoy the process. Actually, ganun din ako sa TikTok. Before, I can't even imagine myself having my own TikTok. Akala ko sa TikTok, dance-dance lang, sayaw-sayaw lang. Ay, hindi naman ako nagsasayaw eh. So, yun pala, even though hindi ka nagsasayaw, you can create your own TikTok. And you can do that as well. Even kahit hindi mo pakita yung mukha mo, even though kahit hindi ka magsalita, just show the behind the scene of you working. Just show up. Let people know about your skills. Let people know about what you can do to their account or how you can help them. Show up. And learn skills. Even though may client ka na, huwag kang titigil sa pag-learn. Ako right now, even though I have clients right now and earning what I want to achieve every month, I am still learning and keep growing myself because we can tell baka maubusan tayo ng client or baka umayaw sa atin yung client or let's say baka manawa na sa atin yung kliyente or hindi na sila satisfied sa atin. That's why I keep on learning so that I can improve my skills and grow clients account or bring value to my clients account. So, upskill, wag nyo yung kakalimutan. keep learning kahit madami ka ng client or kahit kumikita ka na ngayon, just keep on learning. It is your advantage that you are growing. Of course, third tip is love what you do. Kasi kung hindi mo mahal or hindi ka nag-enjoy sa ginagawa mo, I don't think tatagal ka sa industry na to or sa pagiging freelancing. Kasi si freelancing, nakaka-burnout siya. Nakakaubos siya ng energy, nakakatamad siya minsan. Kaya dapat kung ano yung skills na i-offer mo or kung ano yung industry na kukunin mo, dapat gusto mo siya. Don't offer skill, it is because mataas yung bayad. Don't offer skill because someone said so. Don't offer skill kasi na-motivate ka ng someone na yon. Just offer a skill because you can do it, and just offer a skill because you know what you do and love what you do. Dito sa social media management, siguro kung hindi ko talaga gusto yung ginagawa ko, talagang maaga akong aayaw. Kasi nakaka-overwhelm siya. Pero since I love what I do and I enjoy the process, so kaya tumatagal ako, even though 2 years pa lang naman ako, but I still love what I do. And you have to do the same thing. You have to love what you do and love the process. Last tip is treat yourself. Even small wins pa lang yan, i-treat mo sarili mo, ilibre mo sarili mo, pero wag naman araw-araw. So just treat yourself some spa, massage, or buy yourself some new shoes, new shirt. So i-treat mo yung sarili mo if sa tingin mo deserve mo naman, pero wag palagi. Kasi syempre, baka naman matuwa ka, maubos na ang sahod mo, kakatreat mo sa sarili mo. And that's my tip right now. And if you want to know more what I do and how social media management works, I have a playlist for you that will walk you through how social media management, the job of social media management, or whatever it is about social media management. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!